Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video we will be learning how to downgrade any application on Android. So please make sure to follow these steps till the end. The very first step is to move into your settings. Head over to Apps. Click on See All Apps. You'll get to see all the application that is available on a device. Choose any of the application from here that you want to downgrade. So let's move into Google Chrome. Click on the three dot at the top right corner. The option of uninstall updates will be visible to you. Click on it. And then click on OK. There you go, the application has been downgraded successfully. It means that you have got the older version of Google Chrome now. With the help of similar process, you can downgrade any application that you want. So this is the end of the video, and this was the tutorial video on how to downgrade any application on Android. I hope you found this video useful. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.